Hi, this is Jay. Welcome to the fourth video. We will be discussing COS, or cost of sales. So now that we have an idea of what the repairs, remodel will cost, we need to find a buyer that will pay $275,000 for the newly updated house. This takes a lot of effort, including all of the marketing of the house, the websites we need to create, yard signs, open houses, strangers walking through the house, and more just to get someone interested. While we don't use agents to buy houses, we need to hire an agent to do all that work to help us sell the house. We deal with that stuff so you don't have to. In our area, the cost to sell is roughly 6% of the value to the real estate agents and another 2% in closing costs, title transfers, things like that. So we will pay all of this when we sell. The cost of sales for the $275,000 house comes out to be about $22,000. We then subtract this from the ARV as well.